today I traded, unfortunately lost. It's just nothing really worked out. Market was gapping up, so I was a little bit long biased, and I tried to get this long breakout on Tesla and TQQ. Unfortunately, it didn't work out. So Tesla, so Tesla opened strong, punched through the VWAP, and I tried to take this. All right, guys, good morning, everybody. Andrew is here. So Adi and I and Peter were in New York City with Carlos and Ryan. We had a really nice meetup on Saturday in New York City. It was really, really nice. Thanks for everyone who came. Today, market gapped up. Well, yesterday, our flight was delayed. I couldn't trade Monday morning, but today I traded, unfortunately lost. It's just nothing really worked out. Market was gapping up, so I was a little bit long biased, and I tried to get this long breakout on Tesla and TQQ. Unfortunately, it didn't work out. So Tesla opened strong, punched through the VWAP, and I tried to take this 1 minute opening range breakup on this pullback. I went long. It did drop and essentially lost the whole idea of the opening range breakup, and I got stopped out on it. So on this pullback, I tried to go and get this breakout. Then I came down. I got stopped out right at this low, but it came back up quickly. So essentially, 1 minute opening range breakout happened. So I went long at 739 all the way up to 744. So that was a good trade actually, and I made money on that. It came down, tested the VWAP again, and I got stopped out again on it here. So it was essentially one trade, not a bad trade, as it wasn't really profitable, but it just was a bad trade. I should have got stopped out here. It just passed my break-even point. A little bit came back up, and I got out of it. And then I did a little bit of a consolidation, and I decided to take the trade one more time here for a really nice ABCD pattern plus 5 minute opening range breakup on the both chart. The breakout happened. I added more, but I was really hoping to get to 750 at R4, and I really just didn't partial out. I was really wanted to get out, and eventually got out. I came back and stopped me out here at the break even. Not the break even, a little bit of loss. So essentially it turned out to be a loss day for me on Tesla. So I lost $900 on that. But the worst loss was on TQQ, a little bit of over trading on TQQ. Essentially at the same time when the Tesla was breaking up, I was really hoping to get this consolidation 5 minute opening range break up, went long, sold, added some, and I got stopped out twice, and then I went long again. This is the third trade that I did, so let me just give it. So that's one trade, and then that's another trade that I went, and it unfortunately didn't work out, and I got stopped out, and that was my biggest loss, unfortunately. And I just after that I was so sick of this choppy day that I just got out of it. I know Thor had a really nice trade after that short side while I was trying to go, and this is QQQ. So while I was trying to get this breakout, Thor went short at this point of control, get this move, and then he shorted again all the way down to the previous day close. So that was a really nice short that he got from that. When you see that's two traders trying to two different things. By the time that I got stopped out, he actually added more on his short. So market is really hovering around flat area. So IWM is up 0.5%, Q's down 4%, SPY almost flat. So I don't know, it doesn't seem like a very, very volatile day. That's it for me. Brian, how was your trading?
It wasn't that bad. I did what you did. Yes, I did yesterday what you did today. I kind of chased Tesla around, and decided to stay away from it today, based on yesterday's experience. But I had a decent trade on Disney. I was looking at that as a fallen angel trade. It was pretty strong. It was strong, I guess, on some news, and it was trading pretty strongly going into the open.
So who?
Which I like to see.
XPEF?
Yeah, Disney, DIS. So basically, I just it was trading pretty strong in the open, but when the open happened, I just waited for it. It pulled back. I was sitting at 99. It didn't quite get there, so I ended up just doing a market order at 99.20 or 99.12, I think it was. 99.12, and then it got up to 100, so I sold it there, and it kind of pulled back, and then I sold the rest of it at 100 again. So a couple partials at 100. So that was one trade, and then XPEV really sold off. So just chased that with a short, and then and did okay with that. And then yeah, Thor and I have been Thor and I traded when you stepped off. Thor and I came on was on. We traded the Qs short, so that worked out pretty well. Just continued rejection from the 9 moving average. Yep. So we already saw that one. And just now I just took Neil, just scalped Neil long on a bit of a double bottom there. So yeah, so overall, I mean, it was trading. The markets were like this yesterday, pretty choppy, and yeah, so I journaled my trades yesterday and looked at what worked and what didn't, and yeah, I kind of adjusted a little bit today. So
yeah, Amazon
yeah,
is hitting the scanner. Amazon also sold off. So all right, so for today, I want to show you a couple of things for today. So we have Michael Gayed as our guest for Close Show. He's a fund manager. He actually has some ETFs. Has a lot of followers in Twitter. He's a really funny guy. He's a very, very explicit guy. So we're gonna have a chat with him live. So I appreciate if you guys can come and support. Support us. You know, he's talking about the concept of risk on and risk off, and when the market is on the risk mode and when the market is on the risk off mode. And this is very important for investors and traders, because you gotta know what's the environment that you're trading in there. So that's something that I highly recommend, guys. I posted that on Twitter. Make sure to come and support us. The concept of risk on, risk off is so important that, you know, I wish I knew that before, because when you are in the risk on mode, you know, means that people are aggressive. You can go on leverage, you know, the environment of risk. But then when the environment goes into the risk off, you want to be very conservative, go cash or go back to, you know, no leverage positions. And that's a picture of our meetup. Thanks for those of you who, there's a lot of people coming and going, but those of you who came and I stayed for the picture, that was awesome. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much.
nice.
We have presentation tonight. I think Peter is going to have the presentation, trading one single stock. So as you know, he's always trading AMD. So that's one thing. What he sees, what he's looking for, because understanding the price action of one single stock in different market environment is important. Sometimes the market is choppy, sometimes it's not so important. All right, guys, have a good day. I'll see you all at the market close show. We start at 12:30. My time would be 3:30, just half an hour before the close. That's the time at the year. Yeah, and yeah, please come and support. That's really, really important. We appreciate that, and also give us a shout out in social media. Have a good day, guys, and yeah, sorry about the loss.
Cheers.
I'm gonna close my day with a $5,600 loss, even though I didn't take big size. It's just a couple of stop out is enough for really ruin your day. All right, guys, have a good day. I'll see you all today in White Live.